Hello, my name's Julian Mather and I'm excited to be bringing my Show, Shoot, Shift program to the Event Organisers Summit on the 8th of August. I'm going to show you how to take this and give you exciting new 21st century ways that you can use video for your communication, your branding, your marketing, and a whole heap more. I'm going to take the mystery out of making video. It is nowhere near as hard as you think. And I'm going to take the fear out of being on video. Hey, if I can do this, you can do it. And please wear comfortable shoes because I'm going to show you a technique that's going to knock your socks off. I'm going to show you how you can plan and execute a pre, during and post video marketing campaign for your event, and it's going to take you this much effort and this much time. So make sure you don't miss out on this valuable professional development opportunity that's being put on by the Event Organisers Summit. And you are in for such a surprise when you realise that you are way better at video than you ever imagined.